In this video we are going to create an expert advisor that uses this commodity channel oscillator to create trade signals. So let's see how we can do that with MQL5.
In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Commodity Channel Index, CCI, to generate buy and sell signals in MetaTrader 5. Let's see how we can do that. First, we start MetaEditor by clicking the little icon or pressing F4. We begin by including the Trade.mqh file, which provides trading functions. Next, we create an instance of the CTrade class called Trade, which will allow us to execute buy and sell orders. In the OnTick function, we calculate the ask price using the SymbolInfoDouble function with the symbol ask parameter and normalize it to the number of digits for the current symbol. Similarly, we calculate the bid price using the symbol bid parameter. We then create an array called PriceInfo to store price data and set it as a series, meaning the array will be sorted from the current candle downwards. We fill this array with price data for the last 3 candles using the CopyRates function. We initialize an empty string called signal to store our trading signal and create an array called myPriceArray to hold CCI values. We define the properties of the CCI indicator by calling the iCCI function with the current symbol, period, a period of 14, and using the closing prices. We set the myPriceArray as a series and fill it with CCI values for the last 3 candles using the copyBuffer function. We get the CCI value of the current candle by accessing the first element of myPriceArray. If the CCI value is above 100, we set the signal to sell. If the CCI value is below 100, we set the signal to buy. If the signal is sell and there are no open positions, we execute a sell order for 0.0 lots, 10 micro lots, at the bid price, with a stop loss set 150 points below the bid price. If the signal is buy and there are no open positions, we execute a buy order for 0.10 lots, 10 micro lots, at the ask price with a stop loss set 150 points above the ask price. Finally, we create a chart output that displays the current signal using the comment function. To compile the code, we press F7. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you may want to check out the premium course on our website or watch one of the basic videos first. If the code compiles successfully, we go back to MetaTrader by pressing F4 or clicking on the icon. Back in MetaTrader, we press Ctrl and R to start the strategy tester, pick the expert advisor that we have just created, enable the visual mode, and start a strategy test. We should see the expert advisor on the chart. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the CCI indicator to generate buy and sell signals with a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.
Okay, I hope you can use the expert advisor on your chart now. If this was too fast, maybe the premium course might be interesting for you. You can find it on our website. For now, I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.